What if I told you the Bible isn't just a book? It's a mystical code filled with hidden messages that have baffled scholars for centuries. Some researchers claim it predicts historical events. Others believe it contains secret divine knowledge waiting to be unlocked. But here's the real question. Have we been reading it wrong this whole time? The Bible has been read by billions, yet very few understand its deepest mysteries. Hidden within its pages are encrypted codes, numerology secrets, and allegorical meanings that could change how we see the world. Today, we're diving into the Bible's best-kept secrets, messages that have been overlooked, misunderstood, or deliberately concealed. For centuries, people have debated the true meaning of the Bible. The problem? Most translations don't capture the original depth of Hebrew and Greek texts. Words that carried hidden meanings and numerical significance were simplified, stripping away their profound messages. Take this, for example. The number 7 in Hebrew signifies divine perfection, while 666 is often linked to the Antichrist. But did you know that 666 is also connected to Nero Caesar, a Roman emperor who persecuted Christians? Many biblical stories are allegories. Noah's Ark, the Garden of Eden, the Tower of Babel. Were these just historical accounts, or do they hold hidden codes about humanity's spiritual destiny? Let's crack open some of the Bible's greatest mysteries. The Bible Code. Some believe the Hebrew Torah contains a secret pattern. If you take every 50th letter, you can spell out words that seemingly predict world events. God's hidden name in Genesis. In Genesis 1:1, the very first verse of the Bible, there's a mathematical formula that some believe links the verse to the fabric of the universe itself. Jesus' parables. His teachings, like the mustard seed or the prodigal son, are more than just stories. They hold symbolic blueprints for spiritual transformation, but only for those who truly seek wisdom. Now here's the part that will blow your mind. Did you know that Isaiah 53 describes the crucifixion of Jesus 700 years before it happened? It speaks of a suffering servant who would be pierced, rejected, and buried in a rich man's tomb, long before Jesus was even born. And then there's the numerical structure of the Bible. Some claim that the future is already written in the scriptures, hidden in mathematical codes that align with history's biggest events. Was this divine inspiration, a supernatural fingerprint? Or have we barely scratched the surface? From encrypted messages to hidden prophecies, the Bible is more than a religious text. It's a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. The question is, have we been looking at it all wrong? What do you think? Are these hidden messages real divine codes or just patterns that people want to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to explore more mind-blowing Bible mysteries, check out our next video, where we uncover the lost years of Jesus.